Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OneNote page tags for quick search workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable OneNote page tags for quick search workflows, begin by launching the OneNote application on your device. Once OneNote is open, navigate to the page where you want to add tags. Look for the Home tab located at the top of the window. In the Home tab, locate the Tags group. Here you will find a variety of tags, including to do, important, and question. Click on the desired tag to apply it to your selected content. You can also create custom tags by clicking on the small arrow in the corner of the tags group. Select Customize to create a new tag that suits your needs. Once your tags are in place, it's time to activate the search feature. Head to the search bar located in the upper right corner of the OneNote interface. Type in the tag you want to search for, such as to do. OneNote will automatically filter your notes based on the tags you have used. Review the search results to quickly find specific content associated with those tags. For more efficient workflows, consider using multiple tags on a single page. Using various tags can help categorize your information effectively. To maintain organization, regularly review and update your tags. This will ensure that your searches remain effective and relevant over time. By implementing these steps, you will enhance your efficiency in navigating OneNote. Now you can utilize tags to streamline your note-taking and review process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.